The real secret to building wealth is not what they teach you in school, and it's not what most people will tell you. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Are you ready? Here's the truth. Everyone wants wealth, but most people are chasing the wrong thing. They think that in order to get rich, you need to be born into a wealthy family or have some kind of special talent. But the reality is much simpler than that. The real secret to building wealth is to simply do smart things consistently. Let me repeat that for those of you in the back. Wealth comes from doing smart things consistently. Investing your money, building your skills, creating multiple income streams, and making your money work for you. That's what separates the wealthy from the poor. It's not about how much money you make, it's about what you do with it. So if you want to build wealth, start by educating yourself. Learn about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. There are so many great books, podcasts, and courses out there that can teach you everything you need to know. Don't think that you're too good to learn from others. Some of the most successful people in the world are voracious consumers of content. They know that in order to keep growing and improving, you need to constantly be learning new things. So start by educating yourself, then take action. Don't wait around for things to happen. Make them happen. Take risks, start a business, invest in the stock market. Do something, anything, to make your money work for you, and don't be afraid to fail. Failure is just another excuse to learn and improve. The only real failure is giving up. Finally, be patient. Building wealth takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint, so don't expect to get rich quick. But if you stay focused and committed, you will eventually reach your goals. I know this might seem like a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it. The ability to generate wealth is one of the most powerful tools you can have in your life. It gives you the freedom to choose how you spend your time and money. It allows you to take risks and pursue your dreams without fear of financial ruin. And it opens up a whole world of opportunities that would otherwise be closed to you. So if you want to live a life of freedom and abundance, then start by educating yourself, taking action, and being patient. And remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about the choices and opportunities that money can buy you. So don't just chase the dollars, chase the lifestyle that you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.